Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Toyota Noah of 2014. This vehicle has a problem with misfire. Another thing, we have check engine on the dashboard. Then see, it hesitates. When you try to accelerate, there is some hesitation. See, acceleration is not smooth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scan this vehicle. See, right now I have another gadget, so I'm going to scan this vehicle. Okay, let's wait and see. So under system selection, then we have powertrain, then we have ECM. Okay, read code. Wow, see, the fault code is coil A, coil B, coil C, coil D, coil A, coil B, coil C, coil D. Quick erase that. So here the remaining coil is coil D, primary, secondary, pending. The problem is ignition coil, so I'm going to change ignition coil. The coil p0354 is ignition coil D, primary. So let's go and confirm. So misfire is caused by ignition coil, injectors or nozzles. Then we have plugs. Spark plug can cause a misfire, but according to this vehicle, the misfire is coil D. So let's confirm coil D. So according to diagnostic machine, the problem is here, coil D. This is the coil D near the camshaft position sensor, and the first pin is ignition, which is blue. Then the white wire is for reference, number 2 pin. Then number 3 pin is timing signal from the ECU. Then we have number 4 is earth or ground. So ignition is on. So let's go and confirm. Right now tester is on the negative terminal. This is the negative terminal. See, we have ignition, meaning it's okay. Then we have reference, 5 volts. Look at the tester. Is the reference signal. The main signal is clear. Then reference 5 volts. Then we have this signal from the computer, which means the timing signal from the computer we don't measure. So don't try to do that because you will blow the computer. You normally use the multimeter. Then the next is ground. So to measure the ground, make sure the tester is on positive terminal. This is the positive terminal. Then the ground, number 4 is the ground. See, so we have all signals that are required. So the main problem here is ignition coil. So this is the main culprit here. So I'm going to change this ignition coil with another one. Look, a lot of rust. So I'm going to change this coil. So another coil, look at this coil. The coil D has a problem. See, so I'm going to change with this coil. You have a new coil here. I think it's clean, so I'm going to replace with a new coil. So we have already changed the new coil.
Next is to clear code from the system. So right now I'm clearing those codes. See, right now everything's okay. ECU is normal. Let's confirm. Read again. There's no any fault code in the system. Okay, let me start the vehicle. See, main fault code was ignition coil. There's no check engine on the dashboard. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.